Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on your phone with this watch. Before we start, if you want to control the music on your phone with the watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Realme Link application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open some kind of music on our phone. So let's open, for example, YouTube. I'll launch something like this. So let's launch this playlist. And now we can wake up the screen on our watch, because once you're playing some music, your watch should be detecting it. So wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the side button. And after you press the side button to wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the option called Tools. Tap on it, and in Tools find the option called Music and tap on it. This will open the music widget, and we can control the music right here. We can tap on pause or play to play and pause the music. We can tap on next and previous to skip the songs, and we can adjust the volume of the sound by tapping right here on the plus and minus to adjust the volume. And once you're done, you can simply press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you control the music on your phone with the watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.